Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the latest flagship phone from Google. I am going to share with you my honest opinion on its design, performance, camera, battery and features. So before starting this video, buying link is given in the description and you can buy this phone right now. Alright, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 8 Pro has a sleek and minimalistic design with a metal frame and a glass back. It has a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixel and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The display is flat, unlike the previous Pixel model that has curved edges. The display also has an under-screen fingerprint scanner and punch-hole selfie camera. The phone comes in three colors: black, white and sky. Let's talk about the performance. The Pixel 8 Pro is powered by a Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, which is one of the most powerful chips on the market. It also has 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The phone runs on Android 12, which is the latest version of Google's operating system. It also has new features like privacy dashboard, quick tap and audio magic eraser. Let's talk about the camera. The Pixel 8 Pro has a quad camera setup on the back consisting of 50 megapixel main camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 4x optical zoom and a 5 megapixel macro camera. The main camera has new sensor that captures more light and detail. The ultra wide camera has a wider field of view than the telephoto camera, has improved zoom quality and stability. The macro camera lets you take close-up shots of small objects. The phone also has a 8 megapixel selfie camera on the front. The Pixel 8 Pro takes amazing photo and videos in any lighting condition. The colors are natural and accurate and the dynamic range is excellent and details are sharp. The phone also has some of the best features from Google software such as night sight, portrait mode, astrophotography mode, cinematic pan and HDR+. The phone can also record videos in 4K at 60 frames per second or 8K at 30 frames per second. Battery. The Pixel 8 Pro has 5000 mAh battery that support wireless and reverse charging. The battery life is very good and it can last for a full day of heavy use or 2 days of moderate use. The phone also supports fast charging with 30-watt charger that can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. Let's talk about the main features. The Pixel Pro has some unique features that make it stand out from other phones. One of them is the audio magic eraser feature, which lets you remove unwanted sound from your videos or voice recordings. For example, you can remove background noise, wind noise or even someone's voice from your audio. Another feature is quick tap feature, which lets you perform actions by tapping back of your phone twice. For example, you can launch the camera, take a screenshot or play pause music by using this feature. The Pixel 8 Pro is an impressive phone that offers a premium design, powerful performance and amazing camera, great battery life and unique features. It is one of the best Android phones you can buy right now, especially if you value Google software and services. Costs you around $999 for the base model, which is not cheap but not too expensive either. So that's my review of Google Pixel 8 Pro. What do you think of this phone? Do you like or not? Let me know in the comment below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.